the grind, homie, never clocking now. I hear the haters talking.
So far we've gotten on, this will be the third shuttle to get to the boat, assuming we're on the dock though.
I'm rising from the ashes, it's David V. Goliath. I'm gonna win awards, I'm singing in the storm. Put it on the line, I'ma risk it all.
Everyone needs to understand after, you know, 3 months in Southeast Asia, whenever Caitlin books something, it's always one hell of an adventure.
What's on my mind is where I wish to go. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. For something that was worth it, didn't know that the journey would just bring us back home. Bottle up Patron, here's the hip hop. Didn't have a lot, now there's Gucci on the flip flop. Sailing till the ship stops. On El Dorado we be riding. Forget a saddle made in God's image, yeah, I live with him. It is never too late though.
So if you haven't already guessed it, we are spending our last day in Thailand on a sailboat. Caitlin has just given me the green light to buy a boat and sail around the world. Okay, the chicken club. All right, spicy chicken. So we are, yeah, we're gonna go get on a, looks like a 40-foot catamaran and have a little sunset cruise. I'm excited about. It's about the same size boat we're looking at. Of course.
Take your shoe off on the doormat.
It's hot.
Here is so wet and dirty.
Hot and dirty.
Hello.
The way I like mine.
Yeah. Okay, take your shoes off.
All right, Chase. Oh yeah. There you go.
Farewell and adieu to you ladies of Spain, for we've received orders to sail for old England, but we hope in a short time to see you again. We'll rant and we'll roar like two British sailors. We'll rant and we'll roar all on the salt seas until we strike soundings in the channel of old England. From Newsham to Scilly, 'tis 35 leagues. We haul our ship to with a wind from southwest, boys.
You having fun?
Yeah.
Should we move on to a boat? Not this boat.
Why?
We don't want this boat. Okay, Wonky Donk Bridge. Slowly. Anyways, welcome. Welcome to Coral Beach. We're taking this exciting bridge. Nice and slow, yeah. Sorry. You good, Chase? What, do you like this Wonky Donk Bridge?
Yeah. Well, this Wonky Donkey Bridge wobbles by itself.
Sure does, huh? Bro and Mom almost fell in the ocean?
You got the ocean too.
So the good news in Bali, we they would have just thrown you, they would have just tossed you off the boat and let you like swim in. They're just, look at all the fish to your right, buddy. Pretty cool, huh?
Maybe that's a great idea.
Maybe fast? Maybe fast will be better? Oh, we're gonna be able to get to play in the ocean. You know how to surf, huh? All right, hurry up. Ready? Woo! All right, we made it.
Is it Coral Beach?
Pretty remarkable, this Coral Beach. It's, I don't know, it's kind of in the middle of nowhere. Yeah.
Yeah.
You sure? Ready, set, go. Jump off. Ready. Whoa. Jesus. Coming in hot. You want to go parasailing in Thailand? You might have a guy hanging. All right, the goal is to catch up to her. Okay, can we do that?
Did you see me get in here?
Come on, come on, Chase.
All right, we gotta catch up to the lady in the pink shirt, all right?
Let's go, pink shirt. Huh, what? Fall, orange juice. The beach.
I love the beach.
I love sailing.
I love sailing.
What was your favorite part?
Of what?
Fish.
The fish?
Actually, no.
Chase was scared of the fish, but that's all right. Let's go snorkeling now.
We are.
Yep, right now. See those circle things? They look like jellyfish.
Not really jellyfish.
I don't know. They look, I don't know what they are.
What's the whole thing? I can see.
Right here, look right below there. That looks like a jellyfish to me. Baños? Toilet? Restroom? Restroom, okay. Just got done peeing. Beautiful. Ah. Love the ocean. Let's try to get out of that. I got it too. call hand fishing. It's incredibly not very exhilarating. It's like the easiest way to catch fish. At least in the ocean. At least in the ocean. A rod and reel is way more dramatic.
How come you haven't caught one yet? If it's the easiest way to catch a fish, then, Mr. Fisherman.
Fish.
Woo!
Big tuna, there you go. What kind of fish?
What do you think about this? You think back up? You nervous, bud?
All right, tell your subscribers. What do you think? Thinking about buying a boat. What do you think, Chase? Should we buy a boat?
Yeah.
It'd probably be amazing, huh?
Yeah.
Would you swim with the fishes? How about the jellyfish? Yes, as long as we swim with jellyfishes way out there, we'll be totally fine. Yeah, we don't want to get stung. Look at the big Buddha. Pretty incredible.
I'm gonna play you.